For Ripple's XRP, total value locked is becoming a cornerstone of its success, reflecting the value and trust placed in its network. As XRP's TVL reaches impressive heights, what does this mean for investors looking to stake their claim in the crypto market? How does a high TVL translate into potential returns and stability for your investments? Understanding TVL. Okay, before we talk about that, let's anchor down what TVL really means. Imagine you're at a carnival, and there's this massive shiny Ferris wheel called DeFi Land. Now, each gondola on this wheel is a smart contract. Yeah, those digital agreements that automatically execute transactions without needing a middleman. However, for this Ferris wheel to spin, it needs something crucial: passengers. In DeFi land, these passengers are your assets, crypto like XRP that you lock into these smart contracts. This is what we call TVL, the total amount of assets currently riding on the Ferris wheel. But why do we care about how many people are on this ride? Well, I think it tells us how popular and trustworthy it is. If you see a long line of eager riders waiting with their tickets, aka their crypto, you know that ride's got something good going on. Similarly, a high TVL indicates that a lot of people trust the platform enough to lock in their precious digital coins. Let's say our Ferris wheel has 100 gondolas, smart contracts, and each can hold up to 10 passengers, tokens. If every gondola is full, that's 1,000 tokens spinning around happily. But what if only half are full? That's like 500 tokens, not so impressive. In DeFi terms, that's the difference between a TVL of $1 million and $500,000. Okay, let's say our Ferris wheel has two types of gondolas, one made of solid gold and another made of cardboard. Stay with me here. You'd probably trust your ride more in the golden gondola, right? In DeFi, this translates to the quality of smart contracts. Are they well coded? Are they secure? Do they have a track record of success? A platform with high-quality smart contracts will likely have a higher TVL because people trust it not to crash and burn their assets. So, yeah, a great analogy with the Ferris wheel and all, but let me give you a real example of Uniswap, a decentralized exchange where people swap different cryptocurrencies without needing an exchange middleman. At its peak back in November 2021, Uniswap had a TVL of over $7 billion. It means that $7 billion worth of crypto was locked in its smart contracts ready for swapping. Interestingly, TVL can also be misleading. Remember our Ferris wheel? What if someone just keeps riding it over and over again to make it look popular? In DeFi, this is called TVL manipulation. Some projects artificially inflate their TVL by recycling assets through different smart contracts to make their platform look more attractive than it really is. I mean, it's like stuffing your resume with fluff. It might get you the interview, but can you do the job? To avoid getting duped, look at other metrics too, like user growth, transaction volume, and governance participation. XRP's TVL and why it matters. Okay, now let's zoom in on XRP. Why does XRP's TVL matter more? Well, it's not just about bragging rights, though let's be honest, who doesn't like to flex a little? I think it's about utility. XRP has substance. It's being used for real-world applications that are practical. You know, the cross-border payments, remittances, and even micropayments for content creators. Every dollar locked in XRP is like a vote of confidence in its ability to make financial transactions smoother. Back in 2020, XRP's TVL was sitting pretty at around 300 million. In 2024, it has reached heights of over $2 billion. Yeah, that's a huge growth. And one of the reasons behind it is financial institutions. They're using XRP for cross-border payments because it's fast, like, seriously, man, only 4 seconds. There are also payment systems that integrate with XRP so seamlessly. Anyway, let's not forget RippleNet, XRP's very own network that connects banks and payment providers. RippleNet is contributing to XRP's TVL by offering solutions like on-demand liquidity, ODL, which is essentially a fancy way of saying instant money transfer without tying up funds. By providing a platform for seamless transactions across borders, RippleNet has not only increased XRP's utility, but also its attractiveness to those looking for efficient financial solutions. Okay, but what about volatility? Crypto prices swing more than a pendulum nowadays. Let me tell you, this is where XRP shines. Its TVL isn't just about locking up funds, it's about creating stability in a market. The more assets locked in XRP, the more cushion we have against those wild price swings. A milestone achieved. Moving on, Ripple has achieved a significant milestone that's got everyone in the crypto community talking. The XRP Ledger AMMs have just locked in over 10 million XRP. In simple words, Ripple's network has now processed over 10 million transactions. To put that into perspective, that's like every person in New York City making a transaction, and then some. Don't get me wrong, this isn't just about quantity, it's about quality too. These transactions are powered by the XRP Ledger, an open-source blockchain platform known for its speed and efficiency. The XRP Ledger processes transactions in seconds and at a fraction of the cost of traditional systems. It's so efficient that if transaction processing were an Olympic sport, the XRP Ledger would be taking home gold every time. So with each transaction, trust in XRP grows, and with trust comes more value locked in. What this all means for investors. But what does this mean for you, the savvy investor? With its recent milestones and growing TVL, XRP is showing signs of stability. Now, I'm not saying you should throw all your savings into XRP and start planning your retirement in the Bahamas. But let's crunch some numbers and look at historical data to see why investors are eyeing XRP. In 2017, XRP was trading at around 2006. Fast forward to the crypto boom of late 2017, early 2018. And it hit an all-time high of over $380. But then came the crash and XRP wasn't spared. It tumbled down. Unlike many other cryptocurrencies that struggled to recover their former glory, XRP has been clawing its way back. And once again, with Ripple's recent achievements and growing adoption, it's looking less like a risky bet and more like a strategic investment. RippleNet's expanding network means that XRP isn't just sitting pretty on investors' portfolios, it's working hard. And as we've seen with other assets, utility often translates into value over time. For you as an investor, it means that while investing in XRP, or any cryptocurrency for that matter, isn't without risk, there are compelling reasons to consider it as part of a diversified investment strategy. For one, XRP's growing TVL suggests investor confidence, which matters a lot in this industry. Secondly, RippleNet's success points to an increasing use case for XRP beyond speculative trading. Should you invest in XRP? Once again, I'm not saying that investing in XRP will guarantee you a spot on the Forbes billionaire list. But say you invest $1,000 in XRP when it's trading at $0.50 per coin. If XRP were to pull an Ethereum and hit, let's dream big, $4,000 per coin, a whopping 8,000x increase. Your initial investment would turn into a jaw-dropping $8 million. But let's come back down to earth. More realistically, if XRP were to reach its previous all-time high of around $3.80, that same $1,000 would turn into a tidy sum of $7,600, a 7.6x increase. Now for the strategic investment approaches for beginners, I will say this: start small and diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, or in this case, all your coins in one wallet. Consider starting with a modest amount that you're comfortable with and spreading your investments across different assets. And remember, timing is everything. The crypto market is. Sometimes you're spot on. Other times you're not even close. So do your research, keep an eye on market trends. Understand the technology behind XRP. Consider how it fits into your overall investment strategy, and look for buying opportunities when prices dip. So should you invest in XRP? Here's my brutally honest take. Only invest what you can afford to lose. The crypto market is still the wild west of investing, exciting but risky. And while XRP shows promise with its growing TVL and RippleNet's expanding network, there are no guarantees in the world of cryptocurrency. Advanced options like Bumper can also enhance your risk management strategy. Useful tools such as Bollinger Bands and Average True Range offer insights into market dynamics and potential trading opportunities. You can also try some risk management tools like stop-loss orders, managing emotions, staying informed and seeking professional advice. And that's a wrap. XRP's TVL is a powerful indicator of its growth and potential in the DeFi space. So what are your thoughts on XRP's rising TVL? Do you see it as a game changer for Ripple's future and for your investment portfolio? Or are you still giving it a hard pass? Drop your predictions in comments below. Before you go, don't forget to check out our recent video on XRP versus ETH, who will win the stablecoin race. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.